You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. The city in France, I believe it's in Normandy, is it? Yes. At the tip of Burgundy in the north. Cherbourg is the French pronunciation. Cherbourg. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Cherbourg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.